welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did the fishtail design on my nails. Really simple. I'm going to show you in 1 second. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my bit. Here I did do some encapsulated foil. As you guys can see, all that foil came off. I'll leave my foil link down below, but if you're having trouble with foil, I highly suggest you look into my foil glue. So I am gonna go in with my drill at 6 RPMs at first, and I'm just gonna take this to the center at first, not a lot at first. I just want to see where I want it indent, and basically I'm gonna go in like such. I'm gonna actually turn my drill up a little bit more. Now I'm on 10. And if you see that it is fishtailing more on one side, just move it over. And then once you have the shape you want, you can concentrate it in the middle. Just like that. I want to move it over to the right a little bit more, just so that that end is a little bit pointy, like that one. And then I'm going to center it back into the middle again. Now, if you wind up taking too much of one side off and then the point is not there anymore, no worries. Just go in with some more acrylic, whatever color acrylic you are using. In this case, I encapsulated this with clear, so I will go back in and do it. So, doesn't have to be perfect. This looks good to me, so I'm going to leave that like that. That's what it looks like. Really pretty. At this point, I should probably finish this nail off since I have y'all on here. I do have a mask on, so sorry if I sound a little muffled, but I'm just gonna go in just like I would if this was an actual client. I'm not gonna go in with any other bit except this, just because my foundation of my acrylic application is pretty smooth. So, and I don't really need to seal this cuticle. This is not anyone's finger. Looks pretty good to me. Then I'm gonna file the sides. These are my 3X length tips. If you do nails, I do suggest you buy longer tips because you can manipulate them into any size you personally want. I could have cut this nail to a 2X, 1X, large, medium, small, whatever. So that looks pretty good. Now I am gonna go in and just buff the nail up some. I need to get some tape for my fingers because I'm tired of messing my nails up when I do other people's nails. I'm gonna wipe this off and then we're gonna come back and top coat it. All right, y'all. Just gonna use a little white. Not a little white, but a little alcohol and wipe the nail down. Try to get rid of some of that dust. Before I go in with my top coat. And then now I'm gonna go on my top coat. This is very high shine. This was on my nails right now. I did my nails like four or 5 days ago. The shine is still there. It does last for weeks. I'll say 2 weeks. but it lasts. So here I'm just going in with really long nail brush strokes, just because the nail is long. You want to make sure you have even application. I'm thinking about doing my other side like this, but each nail I might do a different color of thin foil. These foils are on my website as well. Super, super cute. I'm gonna drop this in the lamp for 60 seconds and come back. All right, so this is what she looks like. I'm not even gonna worry about putting any cuticle oil or anything on it. I'll let you guys see it. Super cute. Let me know what you think it is. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to be doing my own nails. Like, I'll use this side, come with like green, blue, purple, orange, yellow. So yeah, I probably do each finger different. I just wanted to hop on here and show y'all, just because when I post these nails on my Instagram, I got so many DMs asking me how I did it. So that's all I did. I will link everything I use down below. I'll check y'all out in my next video. Bye.